I'll be using today is the Gardenia Master Mix by Model, and it was $24.99, and I got it at my local beauty supply store, and I got it in, let me see, 24, 26, and 28 inches. And I have used this hair before. It is synthetic hair. Kept it up at night was I just basically took the hair and twisted it and did like little twisties, and that's how I tied it up at night. Is the hair that we will be using. So this is how it looks again. This is the front and this is the back. So this is the final look, and I went ahead and added some of these gold beads that were 99 cents, and you can find these at your local beauty supply store, in a gold string, and you know, did some makeup or whatever to finish off the look. The hair is about 28 inches. I am 5'2", 5'3", something like that, so it's kind of long on me. So I just wanted to come back and post this video because I didn't have any of those gold beads with me, and I went to the store and got some. So make sure you guys check out my Instagram so you can see, you know, the pictures of your girl and this hairdo, baby, because I just love a style that can be created like really quickly, and that's very like inexpensive. I didn't have to order any hair. I really needed this hairstyle, like something really quick and something right now. So, you know, the price didn't matter, but let's be honest, we all love something that is really quick and affordable. So that just made me love the hairstyle even more. So you guys check out my Instagram and leave some comments, follow me, and just let me know what you think. And thank you guys so much for watching.